Hello, my name is Svetlana Brykina, and I'm a loan officer with Fairway Mortgage, licensed in Washington State. I can help you with your home purchase or refinancing needs. I always put my clients first. I'm here to be your trusted advisor to help you navigate all the waters in a complex transaction by offering my honest advice and providing responsive support throughout your entire loan process. I love truly what I do, and it's a beautiful thing when you find a career that aligns with your passion.
Hi, I'm Jackie Burt with John L. Scott, and my passion in the real estate business is chasing my clients' dreams and visions. I love adopting what they see for their future and making it a reality.
Today we are meeting with Debbie Adams, who purchased home using my services, and also we are meeting with Jackie Burt. She's a real estate agent for company John L. Scott. And Debbie, I have a few questions for you. My first question is, what were the fears about buying this home?
Well, first we were on a time crunch. The owners of the home that we were renting decided they wanted to move back in. They gave us 2 months, and our deadline was December 23rd. And so therefore my husband and I both decided that we wanted to buy, and we were worried that it would take too long to find a home, and we didn't know when, if we would qualify and how much we would qualify for. So we decided that it was time, but we had to know all of these things in order to, proceed. And our biggest fear was not getting it done in the time frame that we had available to us.
Of course, I understand it's very important to make sure you have enough time and everything is taken care of.
First off, I just want to say thank you so much for picking Svetlana and I as your team through the home buying process. And I'd like to ask why you chose us for your team.
Wow, so the reason I chose you guys is, well, first of all, Svetlana is a client of mine doing online marketing, and so I was pretty up to date on what she did for a living. And so I knew that the only way that we were going to be able to get this process taken care of in a timely manner was to get pre-qualified, because if another person came in and did an offer, we could be battling, and if I was pre-qualified, the seller would take me over somebody who was not pre-qualified. So I first came to Svetlana and asked her to help us get pre-qualified, and that was a godsend, because I can't tell you how many people go out and try to look for houses. They don't even know how much they qualify for, and they end up making an offer and they don't even qualify and their hearts are broken. So for me, I didn't want to have that happen. And also, I did not want to have that happen to my real estate agent as well.
Your real estate agent appreciates that.
I know, trust me. And I don't have time to be, we had 2 months. So once you gave us all of the information, I happened to be seeing you that day.
Yeah.
And you're like, I can help you. I can be available. I'll be available anytime. And I was like, great. Here's the list. And you were great. You went out with us. I think it only took us like 2 days or so.
Yeah, it was quick. It was a whirlwind, but it was well worth it.
Yeah. So, right after that happened, I'm like calling up Svetlana. Hey, we got an offer, and that's how it all came together.
Awesome.
Debbie, what would you say to recommend us?
Wow, that's a lot. I would say first, Jackie was on top of everything. She made sure that our contract was signed, sealed, and delivered properly. She represented us in the way that we needed to be represented. With all of the little details of our contract, she made sure that our contract, everything was done. The home inspection was completed, all of our work orders were completed, and she stayed on top of everybody to get that done. And in the meantime, you were on top of all the financial end of it. And at any point in time, if our contract failed, it would fail you as well, and or vice versa. And so, it was really important for us that we were working with two individuals who knew what they were doing and were professional. And Jackie, you were so professional, and you really kept the seller committed to what the contract stated.
Absolutely.
And you were really great because you kept us going with the financial documentation we needed, and you helped us to pick the best loan for us based upon our financial situation. And that was really important to us, because nothing worse than buying above your means and not being able to afford your monthly payment. And so you guys were exceptionally helpful. And one of the biggest things I have to say is that we had 2 months, and we found a home, and we closed the home before Christmas and within 1 month.
Yeah.
And that's so awesome, you guys. You guys did such a great job.
Thank
We
you.
were in our house before Christmas. Need I say more?
Yeah, that's amazing. And I should just add to that I think each situation is unique, and things shift and switch. There's not a script for every single transaction. And it's super important for me as a real estate agent to be able to work with somebody, mortgage broker, Svetlana in this case, that can shift with the times with me and adjust whatever needs to be adjusted to fit the situation, to make sure that your outcome is what you've wanted, what you desire.
Right.
So it was a pleasure working with you.
Thank you. You too. We work as a great team. That's
Yes,
most important than
absolutely.
anything else.
Let's go buy another house. Wow. Svetlana, this is so amazing.
Thank you.
August 2019, $1 Million Club. Svetlana Brikina.
Brikina.
That is amazing. From Fairway Mortgage. You should be very proud.
I am so proud. Thank you so much. Thank you.
You're so welcome. I wish I could have given it to you.
Thanks so much. Thank you, Debbie.